Hello guys, I am Shahzad and welcome in Codeigniter world. Today we are going to create a system which finds some informations from your particular column and replace with some values and with the same tuples or the row. As you can see, I have the database name dictionary and I also have the English tables. So I have different kind of values here. So I'm using the phpMyAdmin. So as you can see, this is phpMyAdmin, but I always use the data grid because it's easy for me to manage my database by using this particular tool. It's a JetBrains tool. If you're not familiar with the data grid, don't worry, just use your phpMyAdmin. Okay, now refresh this table. As you can see, I have this value verb. So as you can see, verb, and also I have 5,000 records. So now as you can see, 4,879 records. So it's hard for me to remove these values manually because it takes time. So that's why we are going to create a system which finds this value and replace with some other value on the same table or the column or the tuple or the row. Okay, now as you can see, I have the model. First of all, mod English. I set this model to auto load. So go to the config and check the autoload.php file. Config autoload.php. So as you can see, fine. Okay, now I also have the home controller. So I'm using the method find and replace here. So consider this one. So ignore this index method. So now I'm fetching all the records from the database by using this method. So now this, as you can see, I'm using the getWhere, same database table. Okay, now I'm storing the empty array in this table. I'm not using the if else statement to check either the data is coming from the database or not, because I have several records here. Okay, so now I am using the for each loop. Here as you can see, we are just finding the particular pattern. So in this case, I'm saying find this bad boy, which is the verb. Now I'm saying find this one. I'm saying replace this one with only space. You can also use your another word or something else. Okay, now I'm saying find this word, replace with only space. Okay, now here we are just finding the results. I'm saying because this functions return the boolean true or false, and we are here checking if the record is exist, then we are using or we are storing the values in this array which we are creating here. Why? Because we are going to update in the bulk. So how can you update? Because we are using the insert bash method, so that's why we need this data type. Okay, so here this is the array and we are storing the associative array in this particular array. Okay, now here we are replacing, here we are finding, and here we are replacing with word. So str replace, it takes three parameters: the finding values, replacing values, and also the actual values. Okay, now as you can see at the end of this loop, so this for each loop ends here. Here I am sending these values to my database for the update purpose. So this is the values, this is the method, and now I'm saying update bash. I'm using update bash and I'm saying go to this particular tables, which is the English, and replace with these data where the English ID is 1. So as you can see, I also have the English ID. So it finds each and every verb and replace with space. So as you can see, I have my home Okay, and this is the method we are going to call. Make sure I'm using the .htaccess file to remove the index.php from the URL. Okay, click on this one. So it's saying fine. So go to the database, refresh the database. So now as you can see, we have successfully removed. So now as you can see, I have also this pattern. I'm saying find this value, find this value. As you can see here I also have some other. Fine, now I'm saying just find this value and replace with the space. Okay, here we are just checking, here we are replacing. Okay, so go to the page, refresh the page. Now go to the table, refresh the table. So now as you can see, you have successfully removed the pattern. Let's suppose now we are going to remove some other informations like this. Here we have the braces and a noun. Okay, one record is here, second record also exists. Okay, let's suppose we are removing this pronoun. We have these two values and also we have some other values below the table. Okay, now I'm saying find this bad boy, replace with space. You can also assign some other words. Now refresh the page, go to the page, refresh the table, sorry. So we have successfully removed the records from the database and we have uploaded the values here. So if you want to replace the other values, like if you want to find the items from this column and you are going to replace with another word, what you just need to replace your word here with particular format, like so this is your item, so this is your item and this is your item and this is your another value, So I think it's fine. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me or leave a comment in my video. If you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the videos, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So thank you for watching.